important to keep the right amount of oil in your engine. To check the level, open the bonnet and secure it in place. Take out the dipstick. Wipe it clean. Replace it all the way in and remove it again to check the levels. If it's below the lower limit on the stick, you should replenish the oil. Make sure you're using the correct oil for your car. If you need to top up the coolant, that goes in here. Check the minimum and maximum levels before filling, and don't open it when the engine's hot. When the Screenwash warning is illuminated, it's running low. Always use the correct product, pouring it in here to the full level. If you're unsure about doing any of this, your local Suzuki dealer will be happy to help.